What did you say?
Show my face.
Alright!
Where's the flash? I want a flash. I want a flash.
Do you get it? Do you?
No, I'm taking it out.
They can't read. He can't read it.
Well, okay, Charles, my milkshake brings all the boys to you. I guess I know. He was trying to die like you almost did. Question mark? Like how I was trying to burn off your phrase of your jeans and you almost caught on fire? I remember that. You should look closer. Fix that. I'm on it. Charles has signed off. Even though it's just like Charles says, oh, lady, yellow.